I finally figured out how to say it. It's not Wacom, it's Wacom. Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. Did you notice that I have my little mic attachment back in this video? I feel super fancy and professional every time it makes an appearance, so I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways that I use my ONE by Wacom tablet. If you haven't yet gotten a chance to see my last Wacom related video, it was a ONE by Wacom unboxing and review. I'll link it in the description below, or you can click right here. The card will magically appear. I got a lot of great feedback on that last video. You guys had some really good questions, and I thought it'd be helpful to just show you how I use my Wacom, and hopefully that could answer some of your guys' burning questions. Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these Wacom related videos, and I'll be sure to make some more. Okay, let's get into it. I am so excited to show you how I've been using my Wacom, and I'm telling you guys, I got better. Last video, if you remember, I was struggling a little bit. I was having a little bit of struggles here and there. So where do I do it? Like, how am I supposed, you know what I mean? Like, where do I? But I think I've gotten the hang of it. It's actually super user-friendly. Here is the ONE by Wacom tablet, and according to Amazon, it is 6 by 3.7 inches. I'm obsessed with this size, guys. It is so easy to carry around, perfect to just slip in your purse or your backpack. It's just really, really convenient to have. And if you guys are interested in getting this tablet yourself, I will link it in the description below. Okay, sorry for the chitter chatter. Let me actually get into the content and show you guys the first way I use my ONE by Wacom tablet. The first way I use my ONE tablet is to take notes. And I actually haven't done that since recently. I was a huge paper person. I used so many notebooks, but then after getting this tablet, I realized how much more convenient it is to have it all in one place. You're saving the planet here. You're saving the planet. This is a great eco-friendly way to hug the earth, because right now, you know, deforestation is a huge issue. But in all seriousness, instead of carrying a bunch of notebooks and bulky paper and pens, although I do love pens, I really love this alternative to taking notes. And there are so many great apps out there that you can use with your ONE tablet. For this demo here, I'm going to show you Evernote. It's this little app here with the green elephant. And, oh, sorry, I was just practicing. Evernote is really cool, and I'm not gonna preach on it because I just got it recently. I know there's so many note-taking apps that you can use with a digital tablet. OneNote, UpNote, Notability. There's like a million probably, but Evernote was free and I like free. So we're just gonna click new right here to create a new note. You just click this little blue plus in the top left corner, and then you go down to sketch, and it brings you to this page that conveniently looks very, very similar to the Wacom screen right here. What's that word? It's not like screen face, it's like, not typeface, it's like, screen. You know what I'm saying? Do you know that word that I'm thinking about right now? It's gonna bother me for the rest of my day. Screen. It's like an interface. Oh my, interface. Okay, let's pretend that didn't occur. I was trying to say that this has a dotted interface, but I also like how you can change the background pattern. So this one actually looks a little more similar because the dots are further spaced apart, but there's lines. If you don't like writing crooked, I write so crooked. These lines are super helpful. And even grids, like graphing paper. So when you're doing math or something, you have that. And you can even do none. Like, it's a blank piece of paper. You can make art, basically. Taking notes has been a real game changer, especially when it comes to calculus or any math or any class that requires writing down numbers or symbols or, like, you know, mathematical things. Typing that all out stresses me out. Like, you can't really write an integral unless you copy and paste. But with this tablet, guys, you can write an integral like that. So like the integral from
0 to 1 x squared minus 4x dx.
Literally all you math people probably gonna say something's wrong with that, but we're not gonna talk about that. That's not the point. Isn't this amazing, guys? Isn't this amazing? I'm literally shocked right now. Okay, guys, for all you Mean Girls fans here, you can also highlight stuff. So if you want to say, oh, this is important right here. Guys, this is a game changer, honestly. Another really cool thing I like about Evernote is how you can use this tool right here. It looks like an X-Acto knife, and you can cut a piece out and literally move it, like legitimately move it to wherever you want on the page. You could put it all the way over here. Isn't that amazing? Guys, this is revolutionary. Really great for notes, and it does help to practice, because I will tell you in the beginning, my handwriting was really wonky. So yes, digital note taking, such a game changer with the One tablet, and Evernote is a great app to use it with. All right, guys, the second way I use my One tablet is, wait for it. Do you hear that? Do you hear the harp and the angel singing in the background? Hand lettering and calligraphy, guys. One of my favorite things in the world. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that, and I'm gonna show you on the Evernote app and on Photoshop. If you did not know this, the One tablet is pressure sensitive. That is probably my favorite thing about it. That basically means that it detects how hard you press on it. So if you want a thick line, you press harder, and if you want a thinner line, you press less hard. To me, that is just a wild concept, and I'm just so proud of how far technology has come. The reason that's important is because hand lettering and calligraphy often requires you to know how to do thick strokes and thin strokes, and this gives you the perfect way to do it. So that's a thick stroke, and these are thin strokes. Like, come on, tell me that's not freaking revolutionary. Okay, regardless, that was pretty bad. Sorry, I'm nervous in front of the camera. I promise I could do better. So as you can see, oh, let's just draw mouse ears. Let's just be like extra, I guess. How do you draw mouse ears? That looks more like a bear. Do you guys know what I'm going for? So this is not my best work, but I just wanted to give you an example of the pressure sensitivity that the Wacom tablet offers. It's absolutely amazing. It really changes the game. If you do not have an iPad, which it can get expensive, it definitely is. Apple Pencil, no hate, a lot of money. This is such a great alternative if you're not trying to break the bank. And I'm gonna show you guys another example of this on Photoshop. So if I can find the brush tool, that would be very extremely helpful. As you can see, hopefully I captured it, but the possibilities with the One tablet when it comes to hand lettering are basically endless, because you could do everything you could do on Photoshop, except you have the control of the almighty pen. Trust me when I say it's amazing for calligraphy. The third way I use my One tablet is kind of similar to the last way, so hopefully it's not cheating. I use it to make YouTube thumbnails. I don't know if you've seen the other videos on my channel, but I prefer to have just really simple thumbnails with text on top. But I'm thinking of kind of changing the style a bit and going with kind of a more organic hand lettered look. A lot of people are doing that. It's definitely a trend and a style lately. You know, when people like embellish the picture with like their own handwriting, super cute. And the Wacom, perfect for that. I'm actually going to show you guys how I made this video's thumbnail. Alright guys, you're about to get the inside scoop on how I kind of pick my thumbnails. I'm low-key exposing myself right now because look how many I take. This is like at least 40 pictures. I'm indecisive. You gotta get the perfect shot, you know what I mean? Who is she? Oh my gosh, who is that? Oh my gosh, she's kind of cute. Can I get her number or something? Like, what is this face right now? What am I doing in this picture? These are starting to look very similar. Okay, I'm between these two. I'm between this one and this one. Oh gosh, they literally look the same.
1 hour later.
Okay, I figured it out. I want this one. Quick tip before you start putting all the words on there in little drawings. You want to kind of clean up the background as much as possible. Okay, what the heck is happening? As you can see, I'm exposing myself yet again. I don't know how to use Photoshop. So what we're doing right now is this really cool Photoshop trick where you make the words or whatever you want look like it's behind something. So I'm going to put the word one behind the pen. Right now I'm using the quick selection tool and I'm selecting this entire area. So then you go layer via copy and then you just put it right on top. So now you're going to make another layer and you're going to put it behind that one above the other one. Sorry, this is not making any sense whatsoever. So I'm gonna do red because the Wacom is red. I really like this brush because it looks like a permanent marker. So for some reason the pressure sensitivity wasn't working for a second and I just looked it up and it says you have to have shape dynamics checked on brush settings. I promise you guys, as you could obviously tell, I am not a Photoshop expert, but that worked. That's so cool. What the heck? Am I an artist or something? Someone hire me. Another thing I really love is how the screen feels. It almost resembles like a paper feel. Like it's not too slippery. It's just really great for calligraphy. Like I'm really enjoying it. So here is my lovely thumbnail. Really like drawing on my thumbnails. I think I'm gonna make that my new thing. Alright guys, those were the 3 ways I love to use my ONE by Wacom tablet for note-taking, hand lettering, and calligraphy, and YouTube thumbnails. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys and gave you some inspo on how you want to use your tablet. Again, if you want to purchase this beauty right here, really great price, I'll link it in the description below. It's from Amazon for like $55, I think. If you guys like these kinds of Wacom videos, digital tablet review kinds of things, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Took you 2 weeks to go out and date her, 'cause you didn't cheat, but you're still a traitor. You had your worth. Okay guys, I know you hate me because I keep singing that.